Hey everybody, Austin here, Speedy Vinyl. So I have a question for you. How many of you guys have a bunch of mats sitting around that aren't sticky anymore? You just try to, there's just no stickiness to them at all. And I know that's frustrating when you're going to do your projects. And these things are expensive. So today I'm going to show you guys how to save some money and to make your mats last a lot longer. I'm going to show you how to revitalize them. So let me readjust the camera and I'll show you guys exactly what to do. So what I'm going to show you is how to save your mats for very, very cheap. You can get this stuff at most dollar stores. It's called Awesome. It's just a cleaner. It's in the cleaning aisle. It's $1 a bottle. But what it's going to do is it works really well to clean all of the stuff off of your mat. Okay, so this is one that has already been treated to it. You can see how sticky it is. It actually has some stickiness to it. Okay, here's some of my old ones that you can see just all the debris on it and little fuzzies and leftover vinyl and everything else. No stickiness at all, nothing. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and we're going to reuse this mat. We're going to make it, we're going to renew it, I guess. The things that you're going to need are a squeegee. Any kind of squeegee will work. Like I said, you can get this stuff at the dollar store. It's really cheap, really inexpensive. And then some paper towels to wipe off the excess. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're just going to go ahead and give a good spray here. I'm going to really spray it out. And we're going to let that soak for just a second here. And let me just wipe up the excess around it. It's a good time to go ahead and clean your table. Okay, so now what we're going to do is you're going to take a squeegee that is pretty sharp. So, it's got a nice edge on it. And essentially what you're going to do is, and what I would do is take a towel, okay, and just lay it underneath the back of it here. And you're going to basically just kind of try and push all that nastiness off of there. Now you may have to do it a couple of times. You can kind of see, just want to show you here really quick. You can kind of see like all the hairs and stuff that are coming off of that. It's like really gross. Get that vinyl off of there. This is why you put the towel underneath the top of it, so you can kind of squeegee it all onto there. Good amount of pressure. And if it's not all coming up, you can do it a couple of times. But just really try to scrape that mat. I'm going to try to get all that stuff off of there. We'll just do half of it here to show you. Okay. All right. And see, we got all of the stuff off of our squeegee there. All right, now take a dry cloth here, and I only did the one side. I'm not going to do this side just to show you guys the difference. Okay. So you want to be careful not to like put too much of the paper towel back on here. You don't want to have a bunch of more fuzzies go back on there. That's what actually causes the loss in adhesion, is all that, those little fibers and things, and just dirt and paper and whatever else, all that good stuff. So I think you can kind of see it here. You can kind of see just that line right here where this is still dirty and this is looking newish. It's not going to be as sticky as brand new, but it will definitely extend the life of your mat. So as you remember, we've got no stickiness at all. Now that it's dry, we're sticky again. And as it dries more and more, it's going to get more and more sticky. See, that part's pretty dry down at the bottom. So we had nothing at all. Okay, and we've got adhesion again. So there you go. It's a cheap fix. $1 at the dollar store plus tax, so maybe $1.12, and you can make your mats last almost twice as long. You can do it a couple of times. These mats are old, guys. These are really old mats. So don't throw away your old mats. Reuse them. Go get you this stuff you could clean 1,000 mats with this. So use your squeegee that you've got, and there you go. Thanks for tuning in, guys. I do appreciate it. So thanks for tuning in for this episode on our channel, Speedy Vinyl. Hopefully it was helpful. Hopefully this helps you guys save some money so you can put more money into your projects and things that you need, aside from buying mats that you didn't need to necessarily replace, that you can revive. So thanks for watching, guys. Please consider liking and subscribing to the channel. If you did like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, give it a thumbs down. Tell us why. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. Check out some of our other videos. We'll put some links up on the side here, and then a subscribe button, one of these sides here. So check those out. And as always, thank you guys so much for supporting us, supporting this channel. And we're always here if you need us. Thanks again.